Snapshot has this really cool feature called Metadata Notes. And the way they work is that any of the metadata assets in our interface can have a note, and the note is shown here by these little asterisks. And if they're dark, then the note has been edited. So for example, you can click on that and bring up the note for any one of these metadata assets. And what's cool about notes is that they travel throughout the entire product across orgs and across all interfaces. So in a managed package, you would see the note. In a production org and a sandbox, the note sticks to the asset by name. So for example, if we move to a deployment interface and look for that asset, you can see that here in this asset, the note is still available. If we move that into the job list, here it is in the job list, and here's the same note in deployment. So let me show you something that's really cool that you can do with metadata notes, because now the intelligent assistant can see them as well. So I'm going to ask my assistant to look at my developer org and analyze everything to do with a certain field and any automations. So let's submit that. And here we go. With just 3 tool calls, it's able to find that field, understand everything that it's connected to, understand all of the automations that surround it, and here are the automations, which is a trigger and an Apex class. And so it finds all of that information. Findings and risks are here. But now let's try this. I say, please create metadata notes that document these findings. And just like that, it creates 3 notes, one for the custom field, one for the trigger, and one for the class. And so now if we go back into the interface, we can look for that particular lead field, and we see that it has a metadata note, and here's the metadata note that was just created. So just like that, we can use AI to document all of the org intelligence in the org, and then that's automatically shared with my entire team.